I have the pleasure to welcome you all to the 101st edition of the Inaugural Lecture of the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, FUNAAB, Ogun State, Nigeria. Our inaugural lecturer of today, Professor Adewale Olusegun Obadina, was born into the family of Obadina, Ilodo, Ijebu-Mushin, Ijebu East Local Government on November 14, 1971. In 2005, he joined the services of Bells University of Technology in Ota as an assistant lecturer in the Department of Biotechnology. And in 2009, he was appointed as Lecturer 1 in the Department of Food Science and Technology, Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta. And he rose through the ranks to become a professor in 2018.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, distinguished girls, esteemed colleagues, students, friends, and family, I want to appreciate the faithfulness of the Almighty God, who counts me worthy of giving this inaugural lecture as stated in Psalm 126, verses 1 to 3. It is with great honor and a profound sense of responsibility that I stand before you today to deliver my inaugural lecture as a professor of food safety and biotechnology. This moment represents not only a personal milestone, but also an opportunity to reflect on the journey that has brought me here, to share the knowledge and insights gained along the way, and to outline the vision for the future of food safety and biotechnology. This inaugural lecture is titled Inevitable Frenemies in Food Security. Thank you for being here today. These are the beneficial microorganisms. These type of microorganisms are used in food fermentation and in the production of food. Bacteria and fungi play essential roles in food production through fermentation, resulting in the product like bread, dairy, and alcohol. This is to let us know that without these friends, without these microorganisms, many of our staple food, gari, fufu, bread, will not be available. We need them. Without them, we cannot sustain. They also improve the color, the taste, the texture, and nutritional value of food, enhancing marketability of such food. Overusing of antimicrobial agents in food production can lead to the organism in such food becoming resistant, hindering control of such pathogens. Research and development. Continued research is vital to explore new microbial applications and enhance existing technologies for safe, sustainable use. There's also need for public awareness and education. Educating the public on the benefit and risk of food microorganisms can improve acceptance and utilization of microbial technologies for food security. As a researcher, my research output have been classified into the following 4 topics, investigating the activities of frenemies toward food security in Nigeria. Number 1, the positive roles of these frenemies in food security. Number 2, the negative roles of these frenemies in food security. Number 3, how can food security be enhanced through the management of these frenemies? And lastly, what I've also been able to do in the area of training and capacity building on the importance of these frenemies. Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I would like to begin by expressing my deepest gratitude, particularly to God, throughout the intricate journey of my career. I appreciate my father-in-law, Mr. Joseph Olufemi Akojede, which is here. I express my gratitude to the Vice Chancellor, Professor Babatunde Olushola Kehinde. I appreciate all my siblings, starting from my senior brother, Mr. Bamidele Obadina, my junior sister Anolu Obadina, my junior brother Oluwaseun Obadina, and the Obadina's family within and in diaspora. Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, permit me to make a special mention of Professor Olushola Bandele Oyewole, who was my head of department and supervisor at the undergraduate at the temporary site of the FUNAAB Isalekbeyin. He is my teacher, supervisor, mentor, father, and boss. God used him to make me what I am today. I say thank you to you for your investment in my life. Mrs. Oluyemisi Bolanle Obadina, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to her, whose unwavering support, love, and patience have sustained me throughout my journey. Her encouragement and confidence in my abilities inspire me to persevere, even when challenges seem insurmountable. With her together, we have been blessed with 4 children, namely Zion, Blessed, Goodness, and Mercy. I want to thank everyone for attending this 101 Inaugural Lecture of Federal University of Agriculture titled The Inevitable Frenemies in Food Security. Thank you for listening.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the delivery of the 101st Inaugural Lecture of the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, delivered by Professor Adewale Olusegun Obadina. Thank you so very much for your listening attention. On behalf of the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, I present this award to you, Professor Adewale Olusegun Obadina. It's an award of honor as our 101st Inaugural Lecturer of the University, dated this day, 16th of April, 2025. Congratulations. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it has been indeed a wonderful time having you around. Thank you so much for coming to our 101st Inaugural Lecture. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Of the 101st Inaugural Lecture of the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, titled Inevitable Frenemies in Food Security, and it has been delivered by no other person by distinguished authority in food safety and biotechnology, as well as the former director of Biotechnology Center of this great citadel of learning, Professor Adewale Olusegun Obadina.